Hi, I'm Jensen from GRM Electrical, and today we're here with Professional Electrician magazine taking a look at this new APTA box from Gewiss. Now straight away there's a few things that stand out to me, and it sort of makes me think about previous projects we've been on where we've had issues. The first thing is this, the fact that the lid opens up and doesn't fall off. The amount of times when we're fitting anywhere up to 200 of these that you drop the lid or you get a slight gust of wind and the lid falls off and you've got to drop back down either a set of scaffold or a set of steps. And the second thing is this sort of membrane thing on the back here. I love that because we use the nail gun a lot nowadays. And what they've done is they've manufactured this soft membrane on the back, and the heads of the nail gun we use will fit right in there. So I think that this product is going to come in really handy for us. We're going to be changing a light fitting in here that's failed, and we're going to be using a box to terminate our cables into. Hit that like button and also subscribe. You've got this membrane in the back here, which you can clearly see I'm pushing my finger through. It's tough enough not to break when I'm doing that, so there's obviously good strength to it. But I will obviously push my screwdriver through. See that? Make my opening. I'll make it as big as I can. Obviously we are inside here, so we don't really need it to be watertight, but I still do like the fact that it's there. So let me just go ahead, get these cables through. Obviously we're all powered down. The fact that it's tight, I like it because it's protecting it. It's protecting anything else getting into it. Right, now we've got our ends in. Just gonna grab a level. I mean, that's beneficial as well. The fact that it's such a good grip on it, there's no movement on the box really. So once I sort of get the level on it and sort of get it where I want it, I imagine that if I come away, look, the box hasn't moved at all. In the back of the box, I've got a couple of areas that are clearly marked out for your fixings. I'm going to be using those now. I'm only going to be getting 2 fixings in because it just seems a bit overkill to fire 4 in there. The holes in the back of this box are designed perfectly for the head of most nail guns. Let me get that fixing in. A little bit misted up with my glasses, but like I said, luckily because it fits so well, you know where it is. And there we are, we're in. This device here is also really handy. You've got the option of attaching 6 different 3 gang connectors in there. We only need 4 for this one. We're going to be leaving our live loop for the emergency lights in here, and we're going to be taking out a 3-core flex down to our standard batten fitting below us. So I'm going to pop that in place, and as you can see it just locks in. Our cables are coming in a perfect area, so we've got loads of space to work with. And just dress the cables in as nice as we can. Very, very nice. Just getting the gland in now and just tighten it up by hand. That's our flex in. All we've got left to do now is obviously strip these back, terminate them in, and then get this box lid fixed on. There we are. Right, we're all dressed in. Let's get the lid on. Obviously just swivel it off of that bottom one. I can see straight away that they're all real easy fixings. I would imagine they're just in, quarter turn. Yeah, very easy. Just trimming down the description for this, popping it on the front. There's a few little dots on the front there. Now I don't know if they've been designed for this exactly, that the labeler fits almost directly between 2 lines. Going forward, especially if I've got lads on site and I want everything to look the same, I will say to them, you've got 1, 2, I want all labels put in the 3rd gap so it looks smart across the board. Right, so I've just gone ahead and got this bracket fixed up to the wall. Now, very straightforward. I've tightened that up really well and it hasn't cracked. So straight away that stands out to me. Now I'm going to try the box on, one side in and then the other. No movement in it, it's secure. I cannot get that off. But I'm guessing if you flick the wing in, which you can obviously quite easily see because it's orange, and as easy as that, it's off. And that's handy because we've not made our armoured off into this yet. And when the secondary team come in to do their install, they'll be able to do exactly the same. Great little idea, great little product. So just pushing my cables through that membrane, and then as soon as you feel it bite on the, there it is. We'll just twist that. So easy. So let's just fix that in place. That's on. You can remove this lid and lock it into a different one. Literally a case of grasping that, popping it out. Sort of got a little, almost like a ball head on it, which obviously grips in. Now, we want the lid to be up that way. So we're gonna pop it into the one to the left, feel it click in. That's in place, locked. Now I'm going to try out one of the new earth clamps, which I think I'd be able to say straight away that that will go into any adaptable box that I've ever worked in. So that on its own, as a standalone product, looks brilliant. I think it is literally just a case of getting it onto the lip of the armoured, then getting your, look at that, that's sat flush at the back, it's sat tight there. So obviously you can bond straight onto that. That screw will come out completely, so you can lug onto it. As easy as that. Right, that's a wrap for me today. I've actually really enjoyed installing these new APTA boxes from Gewiss. They're practical, they're durable, and they kind of answer all the little niggly problems that you sometimes have with other boxes I've installed in the past. Standout things, space and adaptability, durability of the box, and just overall sleek design, clever little finishes to it. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you on the next one.